Hello, good evening. Ngayon po ay mayroon po tayong schedule to pour this grade beam in the retaining wall. So we are using pumpcrete. If you see here, there is a pumpcrete here. So we are using pumpcrete because the area is very limited. The space is very limited, and it's very hard to pour by using backhoe. So we are using now pumpcrete. So from this point and going to that area, so we are using pumpcrete. So you notice our people here still continue the concrete pouring. So this is good equipment that we are going to use in concrete pouring. No? It's very fast and very easy. And also there is no joint, no? There is no honeycomb if you will use pumpcrete. So na-notice ko po yan, no? Nang gumamit kami ng pumpcrete, bihira lang po yung honeycomb o yung ampaw, no? Tawag nating ampaw. So maganda po yung resulta ng pumpcrete pag ito ang gagamitin. So ginamit po namin doon sa kabila. So maganda po ang resulta. Tapos na po yung ating buhos. Umalis na po yung mixer. Kaunti na lang po natira. So hopefully we can continue this concrete pouring until we finish the concrete the formworks on that area. So our concrete pouring up to here on. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, and God bless us always.